Okay, originally I had asked you to do practice number 3 for tonight, but as I'm looking at that one, don't worry about it. We haven't talked about that yet. That's going to be, I think, what we talk about tomorrow. So I'm going to go do 1B and 3B. Or 1B is asking us to continue to do our table here. And as we can see, we want to determine if it's constant or not on the x's and y's. So from 2 to 1, we're decreasing by 1. It needs to be consistent. So from 1 to 1/2, that's decreasing by a half. And then right there, we can kind of, well, stop on things. The x's are cool. We are increasing by 1 each time. So that worked out, but we got to look at both of those. And because on the y's we are not, we're going to say it is not linear because the y values are not consistent. On letter B, looking at that, our eyes are clearly going down, so we have a negative association. Okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and throw out letter 3. Oh, well, 2B. We should have been 3B, my bad. Well, 3B is what we should have done. We want to solve for P, and this has been a review of what we're solving with equations in prior years as we get into our next topic in a few weeks. So P is right here. It's being multiplied by -5, and it's being subtracted by 12. So you want to keep this thing balanced. So I usually tell my kids to draw a line down that middle to help kind of separate the left from the right. And I'm going to add 12 because the inverse of -12 is add 12. 12's cancel. Equals, and then 19 plus 12 gives me a 31. And then again, we said that's attached by multiplication, and the inverse of multiplication is division. Now we cannot take 31 divided by 5 nicely, which is fine, so leave it as a fraction. So -31/5.